A mesothelioma lawyer specializes in winning compensation for asbestos-related diseases. The best mesothelioma lawyers are experienced in winning asbestos lawsuits and claims. Top attorneys can assist victims and loved ones during asbestos litigation to receive compensation through settlements and verdicts. Connect with a top mesothelioma lawyer. Video of mesothelioma survivor Heather St. James. Mesothelioma survivor Heather Vaughn St. James talks about her decision to hire a mesothelioma lawyer and the importance of hiring a lawyer from a firm that specializes in asbestos litigation. Key facts about asbestos attorneys: $1 to $1.4 million. Average settlement secured by mesothelioma lawyers: $30 billion. Amount set aside in asbestos trust funds: 1 to 6 years. Range of asbestos lawsuit filing deadlines: 2,100 per year. Average number of mesothelioma lawsuits filed by attorneys: 01. Mesothelioma lawyer overview. What is a mesothelioma lawyer? Mesothelioma lawyers are professionals with experience getting financial compensation for asbestos victims. People may also hear them referred to as asbestos lawyers or asbestos attorneys. The best asbestos lawyers use their expertise to litigate cases on behalf of their clients. Image of scales of justice in a lawyer's office. People who develop mesothelioma can contact an asbestos attorney. Attorneys work with asbestos victims to explore their legal options. Victims may be able to file mesothelioma lawsuits, asbestos trust fund claims, and other types of claims. As part of their service, attorneys help people identify possible sources of asbestos exposure. Many people were exposed to asbestos on the job. Mesothelioma lawyers have experience identifying responsible asbestos companies and holding them liable. Experienced lawyers can also help pinpoint exposure for people who aren't sure where or when their asbestos contact occurred. Asbestos attorneys work on behalf of their clients throughout the legal process. They build a case, file lawsuits and claims, negotiate mesothelioma settlements, and argue cases at trial. They are dedicated to getting mesothelioma patients and their families the money and justice they deserve. Qualities of an experienced asbestos lawyer. Asbestos lawyers are available to help get financial compensation. Qualified attorneys at top asbestos law firms have decades of experience. The best mesothelioma lawyers combine legal knowledge with compassion and care. These lawyers know how a mesothelioma diagnosis affects a person. They work to make the lawsuit process as easy as possible for their clients. This leaves mesothelioma patients time for treatment and to spend with their loved ones. Experienced lawyer icon. Highly experienced. Experienced asbestos lawyers win the largest settlements for their clients. It is important to seek an attorney with a proven track record of success. Well-recognized lawyer icon. Well-recognized. Successful asbestos attorneys are recognized by their peers and national organizations. They are known for going above and beyond to fight for their clients' legal rights. Diligent, resourceful lawyer icon. Diligent and resourceful. Access to relevant resources helps build a strong mesothelioma case. Experienced attorneys work hard to compile all the documents needed to support lawsuits and claims. Compassionate lawyer icon. Compassionate and understanding. Compassionate mesothelioma lawyers are sensitive to their clients' needs and concerns. They know how a mesothelioma diagnosis can affect a person's life. 02. Why hire an asbestos lawyer? Why should you hire a mesothelioma lawyer? Patients and their families can hire mesothelioma lawyers to handle their lawsuits and claims. These lawyers dedicate their practice to providing legal help to asbestos victims. They have the expertise needed to secure compensation from asbestos companies. They can explain legal options, build strong cases and litigate on behalf of their clients. Asbestos victims can reach out to top mesothelioma attorneys for a free case review. Lawyer-free consultation. Free consultation. Reputable mesothelioma lawyers offer free case reviews. During reviews, lawyers will explain claim eligibility, filing options, and next steps. Lawyer compensation icon. Compensation options. Lawyers can explain possible sources of compensation. Options may include mesothelioma settlements and trust fund claims. Lawyer-focused support icon. Focused legal support. Qualified lawyers have extensive experience building successful asbestos cases. They understand asbestos laws and have a history of success. Lawyer research assistance icon. Research assistance. An experienced mesothelioma lawyer can help gather evidence to support a legal claim. Relevant documents may include employment, military, residential and medical records. Questions to ask a mesothelioma attorney. It is common for mesothelioma patients and family members to have a lot of questions. A qualified attorney understands a mesothelioma lawsuit may be a person's first experience with the legal system. Experienced mesothelioma attorneys are prepared to answer any questions their clients may have. Asbestos victims may wonder what questions to ask during a consultation. They may want to consider asking the following questions to learn more about a law firm's experience handling asbestos cases. Does your firm specialize in mesothelioma litigation? How can I identify the right asbestos company to file against if I do not know where I was exposed? How is your legal team compensated for your services? How long does a mesothelioma lawsuit take? How much does it cost to file a lawsuit? What are some examples of successful mesothelioma lawsuits your firm has handled? What types of lawsuits and claims does your firm have experience with? Will I need to travel if I decide to file a mesothelioma lawsuit? Mesothelioma patients and their families can also ask any other questions they may have. Attorneys at qualified law firms can answer any questions relevant to asbestos litigation. Am I eligible to file a mesothelioma lawsuit? Mesothelioma patients and family members may be eligible to file lawsuits after a diagnosis or death. A mesothelioma lawyer can review individual cases during a free consultation. During the consultation, the lawyer can answer any questions about eligibility.